Hello, this is a tutorial of how to operate a riding lawnmower. And
test dummy.
Is this your first time?
First time.
You've never, and you're almost 60 years old, you've never rode one of these bad boys.
No, this looks dangerous.
Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure it has, well, we filled up the tires already. I didn't even want to videotape that, but next thing you want to check is the gasoline. So you got to pick up the, pick that up and unloosen that and fill it up with gas.
Yeah, you already said you had those, so I'm going by your word, but you're a professional. I think it's got enough.
I don't know.
Yeah.
You sure?
You want me to put some more in?
I'd go fill it up.
All right. This ain't a mix, right? This is just regular.
It's regular gas, that big
using the
can.
big one? You know what? It'd go faster if this little top. Here. There we go. It's like water.
All right, he's got it all filling in. Woo! Now, if you notice while he's pouring the,
I'm just gonna pour a
that
little more.
grass really has been neglected for a couple weeks. It's hot as can be out here, and
And my grass is dry.
usually what's it take you with the push mower? How long?
Oh, that's an all-day event.
All day event. All right, so with the mighty Troy built Bronco, it shouldn't take but maybe half hour. Yeah, the next step is to check the oil.
All right.
And
Is this it right here?
No.
I can't read it. So many.
No, it's right there. Just pull it up.
This?
Yeah.
Oh.
You want to make sure it's got oil.
Well, you want a rag, but we don't have a rag. It does have water, but it looks like it's low.
Looks like it's low.
Look.
All right, let me give it a rag. Hold on. Now that we've checked the oil, there is a gas switch
This is what you switch it, right?
in line. Yeah, you twist it to the right or left, whatever.
I think it's.
There you go. Now you got gasoline. Shut the hood. Now these things have a lot of safety features, like it won't start unless you're on the seat. So you gotta be
my
sitting
cue?
down.
Make sure I don't roll away.
Now the other thing you gotta do.
No seatbelts, people.
No, there's no seatbelt. The other thing that you gotta do is it in neutral? No, you don't even mess with that. You want this all the way up.
Yeah, it's in neutral.
All right, it's in neutral.
And this one actually, is that for a cup of soda? What is
You
that for?
can carry your beer.
Okay.
Okay, now you got to push on the brake. The top one it says brake, and this is standard for most of these riding ponies. Now you want to put it to choke all the way up.
It's all the way up.
Turn the key. All right, now it wants to go, so you want to
Go
push
down.
it down.
Too fast?
No, you don't want to do fast on this.
All right, we're gonna go all the way down.
Yeah, just try,
Slow.
not all the way down.
All
Right there. That's about the running speed. So,
This is for the up and down. That's ejection.
when you're ready to cut, you want to push that thing forward. You're all set.
Too much machine to me to drive up there.
Well, we gotta bungee cord up the side thing, anyways.
All right, so now what do you want me to do?
Turn it
Go to
off.
neutral?
Yeah, turn it neutral, turn it off. Just turn it off. Oh,
There's a lot of smoke. Why?
the weight.
The weight, me?
Don't smoke like that for me.
No, come on. You told me it smokes.
But you cut that lot at a half hour.
Well, you know what? It turned off on me when I tried to put it in reverse.
Yeah, it don't cut in reverse. You gotta
I did.
disengage. No, you gotta take the blade off.
Oh,
Because
that's where I
it'll
messed
cut
up.
right off.
Okay, that's where I messed up.
Yep,
But I don't know these things. I'm a rookie.
that's
I
right.
give it a 7.2.
So that's why we're doing this video, to show people what to do for when they get their nice riding pony. Saved a lot of time, didn't it?
Yeah, it was kind of fun though. It's like a go-kart.
Yeah, a little bit.
A lot of bumps.
A lot of bumps.
Especially the back. You need a seatbelt.
Yeah, I saw you almost got bronked off of it.
Good thing it's got some good springs back here.
Oh yeah, good seat springs.
Yep.
But overall, would you recommend it, or
For my yard?
no, for cutting anything?
Oh yeah, cutting grass. Yeah, it's good.
Yep.
And I think that's an old model, right?
Oh, this is real old.
Prehistoric, but it still works.
Yep. I don't know how much longer, but all right.
Yeah, it works good.
All right, we're gonna sign off then.
Peace.